Yes, welcome here on my channel. Today I want to show another video about Adblue problems. Based on my Mercedes, I have the following error message: check Adblue. See operating instructions. In this video I show you what this is all about, how I can get rid of the error and how you can do it yourself inexpensively. Have fun. Under normal conditions, my Adblue display would show me my range here. In this case I now have 9,800 kilometers left. But because I have this error message, I only get this as follows. Namely that no measurement of the filling level is possible. And this has nothing to do with the fact that somewhere in the urea tank a float is broken or a cable is broken on the way. No, that simply has something to do with the fact that the dossier nozzle, which so to speak injects the urea into the exhaust system, is clogged. Since urea has crystallized and does clog almost everything, and this is what causes this error. And we are now taking a close look at the video here, how I solved the problem, how I got the nozzle clean again. Yes, first get the car on a lift somewhere. Everything else does not make sense. Wrap around the car. This is all nonsense. Find a lifting platform and then up with it. Yes, the first thing to do is the under engine cover or engine guard under the car. It has to be loosened. The plastic cover, loosen a few screws and then you can remove it, and then you can get to the exhaust system wonderfully everywhere. So, now just loosen this screw here on the clamp and then you can push the clamp to the left so that we have space. So now with a screwdriver, with such a flat lever nicely, and then the nozzle slowly comes out of it. Yes, out of her chamber. And you can already see the extremely heavy pollution. It shows up easily. But the moment the nozzle is completely out, you can see the true extent of the pollution. Well, now I took really hot water. 80 degrees at least. I heated it up with the kettle, because now these nozzles dip their heads into the water. This crystallization slowly dissolves and slowly becomes bare. But beware. She's not completely clean yet. You can see this white border in front of the nozzle here. You have to scratch it carefully with a very thin wire so that you can continue rinsing with the water, and at some point everything will come out and the water will turn white. This is how it looks now. The urea has completely dissolved and the nozzle is now really clean. So, this is what the nozzle should look like when you look into the hole. No crystallization should be visible from the side. Everything has to be washed out, otherwise you'll have problems again after a very short time. Next, of course, the chamber where the nozzle is installed would also have to be cleaned, scraped out nicely and washed out with warm water. This is what the whole thing looks like after the cleaning, and this is how it should look. Yes, and here we are. In the end everything reassembles in reverse order as shown. And then the ignition 3 to 4 times, or rather, start the engine 3 to 4 times or travel a short distance. Then the error should normally go away. At least that's how it was for me, and yes. Then, I would say, did you like the video? Then please leave your thumbs up. Subscribe me so you don't miss a video, and yes, please write in the comments how good things worked out for you, so that others can see that it works and then try it out too. Then have a nice day. Good luck.